Hi, Trisha. It was so nice to have you today at our Thorn Center. And I think you had a few questions for me?
Yes, I do. So, I know you've previously taught in primary schools. How does teaching at school differ from teaching at Guru School?
Yes, teaching in primary school, the children are formed according to their age, and the tasks are also set according to their age. But at a Guru School, it's very different, where age is just a number, and we look at individual capability of each child, and we aim just to make them excel.
From your experience as a teacher, do you think Abacus plays a decisive role in how your child performs in school?
Yes, Abacus definitely gives the child an edge over other children in his class, because it helps him not only to do faster calculation with arithmetic skills, but it also helps him to work in groups, multitask, which also increases his efficiency. I think, Trisha, it's time for the next batch to come, and I need to distribute some papers. Come, follow me.
Okay, so then Jennifer, my next question. If you could pass on any wisdom to your students, what would it be?
Not wisdom as such, but I would definitely like to give all the children a tip, and the tip is to practice every day, because maths definitely comes along with practice, and if you practice every day, it will help you a lot.
All my teachers, if you could join any one class, whose class would it be?
Oh, all our teachers are lovely, and but if you would ask me one teacher, it would be Arena.
Okay, thank you so much, Jennifer.
Thanks, Trisha.